All right, class. Today we are going to learn a few more vocabulary words that will help us with our next upcoming lessons. So the three words that we have are going to be caption, concept, and diagram. So let's start off with caption. All right. So the definition of caption is going to be a small explanation to an article, illustration, cartoon, or poster. So what we're going to do is we're going to write that definition down on our pieces of paper. Small explanation to an article, illustration, or cartoon. So can anyone think of an example of a caption? Yeah.
An Instagram caption?
That could work, but I was thinking more of something with like a header. Does any other ones?
What about wording?
That could work. And one more. Yeah.
Title.
Yeah, good job. So next, let's move on to concept. So a concept is an abstract idea or a general notion. So we're going to write that down too. Abstract idea or general notion. Any examples of a concept?
An idea?
Yeah, that could work. And we could also use belief or abstraction. Next is going to be our last one, which is diagram. And a diagram is just a simple drawing showing the appearance, structure, or workings of something. So we're just going to write that last definition down next to diagram. Simple drawing showing the appearance, structure, or workings of something. All right, does anyone have any examples of a diagram? Ashley?
A visual?
Yeah, perfect. And then we could also use a sketch or a figure. So those are our three vocabulary words today, and we will start our new lesson.